research each product. If you're talking about like flaxseed or something like that, find out what it does for you and how you could fold it into a food without it being overwhelming, and just individually start to work with the ingredients. There's a wealth of information out there, and it can be a little bit overwhelming when you're taking it on for the first time. And when you go to a health food store, you go to a market where you're looking for those healthy ingredients and you're trying to figure it all out. And I see people do this, and I used to do this too, is that I would take all of the ingredients and just kind of mix them into one dish and hope for the best, where it's, oh, look at my olive oil, my flaxseed, and my chia, and my hemp, and all of these things, and it's like, oh gosh, now what have I done? Practice makes perfect. Single out some ingredients. If we're talking about almond milk, right, and you want to make that switch from the regular milk and go over to the nut milk or the hemp milk or the oat milks or something like that, practice makes perfect. Start by scrambling it into your eggs. Research each product. If you're talking about like flaxseed or something like that, find out what it does for you and how you could fold it into a food without it being overwhelming, and just individually start to work with the ingredients instead of taking all of them in one shot and try to using all of them at the same time. It's really about taking a little bit of time, doing the research on it, and then practice, 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 and really get it into your rapport of your cooking.